So this you show the picture. Your school logo is here. School logo is there, and this boy is typing, and here is girl is there. In the computer. So first question is fill in the blanks. Computer needs dash from the user. In your chat box, you can write also. In the chat box, you have in your mobile, here is a chat box. You can write the answer. Now you can write the answer, correct answer. Which is correct, you can type in your mobile and you can send in the group here in chat box. Anyone writing? You can write the answer, no? Here option answer. Which is right, you can write. Input is coming here or information, work or instruction. Computer needs, which one is right? Option you have to put here. I'll wait for some time. If you are typing, I'll see. Okay, no one is sending. So I am sending. I am giving you the answer. Answer is computer needs instruction for the user. Computer needs instruction for the user. Okay. Next one. Input is entered through dash device. So in the chat box, whatever question is there, you can answer, you can type. You can send me the answer. Input is entered through dash device. So let us see the answer. Answer is input is entered through input device. Okay, 2 number finished. Now 3 number. Processing means to dash on data. Which option is right now here? Which one is right? You can write here. So answer is processing means to work on data. Processing means to work on data. Okay, some of you have sent, I think. Okay, something like that. So number 3 is over. Number 4. After processing, data is converted into what? Answer is after processing, data is converted into information. And one more is there. Oh, this much only. Okay, this much only. So we will say today computer class. Actually, class 3. There I have 4. Class 4 I have written some mistake. Next one. Next one is write true or false. True or false. Here, true or false now. One number. The output is displayed on scanners. It is true or false. You can type in your chart box answer. You can type now. You can type your answer on the chart box. Okay. So answer is false. The output is displayed on scanner. Scanner on scanner we cannot display. Only we can scan in your scanners. No, only we can scan. In printer only we can print out. Scanner we cannot print out. Only scan. We can scan it and we can see in your computer. In your monitor you can see. Whatever you scan, you can see in your monitor. Number 2. Keyboard is an input device. Keyboard is an input device. It is true or false? So answer is true, I think. We'll see what is the answer. Answer is true. Number 3. A computer has no IQ. Computer has no IQ. True or false? Let us see the answer. True. Answer is true. Next, for number, CPU is used for processing the data. CPU is used for processing the data. It is true or false? So let us see the answer. Answer is true. 5 number. Monitor is an input device. Answer is false. So these are the true false. Next, we'll see. Pick correct answer. Pick the right answer. Multiple choice question answer. So first question. Data is entered to the computer through option are there: input device, output devices, or storage devices. So we'll see the answer. Answer is input devices. Here tick I have put no tick mark is there. Input devices. Tick. This is correct here. Next. Dash is an output device. Options are there: keyboard, monitor, mouse. So which one is right? I think monitor, no? We'll see answer. Okay, some of you are writing, I think I cannot see because I'm using my laptop. I'm not able to see your chart. Okay, monitor is the correct answer. Monitor is an input device, output device. Monitor is an output device. So this is output device. This is input device. This is also input device. Number 3. You can write your answer in your chart box. The processing is done by CPU, monitor, or keyboard. Okay. So answer is CPU. The processing is done by CPU. The CPU is right answer. I have picked here. Input device input given to the computer is called what? Option A, input, option B, data, and option C, information.
Data.
Okay, good, very good. Yeah, you can unmute yourself when you can. Good. Yes. Now next question. Now we'll see the question answer. I think question answer we'll see. Yes. Now answer the following question. What is data? Can anyone say? What is?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell.
Input given to the computer is called data.
Okay, good. We'll see your answer is correct or not correct. Input given to the computer is called data. And when you answer, do not see your answer, okay? Don't see your copy without looking anywhere, okay? You answer. Next question. Good. Which part of the computer processing the data? You can tell now.
CPU.
Yes.
CPU processing the data.
Good. I think correct answer. Yes, it is correct answer. CPU is used to process the data.
Processing the data.
Processing or processes. Here I have some mistake, is a little mistake. ES, no, I have not put. CPU is used to process the data. Correct. Next question right here. Name to output device. Tell the name devices. Output devices. Can anyone tell?
Computer and monitor.
Computer is all the parts are all computer. Okay, all the parts are all computer. Computer, monitor and printer. Okay, monitor and printer. The two output devices are monitor and printer. Number 4. Name the 3 steps through which a computer works. What are the 3 steps?
Input, processing, output.
Correct, I think. No? We'll see the answer. Okay. Input, processing, and output. Correct. Number 5. Which device is used to input data to the computer?
Keyboard and mouse is used to input data to the computer.
Okay, we'll see. It is your also correct actually. Input device. Keyboard is also input device, no? Mouse.
Yes.
Input device. So if you put here I have put input device. No? Input device means keyboard also can be written. You can write here keyboard here. No, I'm putting my cursor. No, here you can write keyboard device, or keyboard is used to input data to the computer, like keyboard or mouse. Mouse also can. Mouse is used to input data to the computer. Like that. So this is about the lesson. Now we'll see, test yourself. Okay, you have to now take out your copy and write the answer. Fill in the blanks. Write fill in the blanks in your copy. You write fill in the blanks. You write in your copy, fill in the blanks. Question. Computer is a machine with no, what answer? Don't tell now, only writing. Okay, you write. In your copy, you write. Only answer you can write. Now you can check your answer. Okay, you see, check if your answer is correct, you tick and give 1 mark. You give yourself 1 mark. Now question number 2, write the missing steps. Some missing steps are there. Okay. Now here is missing steps. Here and here and here. 3 places are missing steps. These steps what will be there, and here what will be there, and here what. You write yourself. 1 minute I give you for writing. Okay, I think you have done. I think. Ready, I think. So we'll see the answer. Answer is yard equal to 2 minus I put no 1 minus 6 minus 3 equal to 3. 9 plus 8 equal to 17. And here you have to put this on comma and this into this one into, okay, and 7 here. Comma, yeah, comma, comma, you put, and if you into, if you do, you get 35. So this is another question I give. There are some more questions. Computer needs what to work? This one you, very fast I get, okay. So instruction. So 4 number you do yourself. Scanner is an device, dash device. I think you got the answer, so we'll see the answer. Output device. Scanner is not output device, okay. Mistake is there. This one is mistake. Input device only. This is input device. So next question is answer the following question. There are some question are there. You write yourself. Write any two input devices. Write in your copy. Okay, answer is two input devices are 1 number mouse and keyboard. Next question. Write any two input devices. Output. Input, it was an input, now output device. What are the two output devices? There are many other. You write only two. So let us see the answer. Two output devices are 1 number monitor and printer. So this is about your test. No? You test yourself how much you getting. So thank you thank you so much for patiently listening to me.